expected cutoff for NIFT of MFM if we look for you. Now coming to the B design. So if we look the B
India's #1 coaching institute for NIFT NID NATA UCEED
exam is over now, and this is your coach Krishnanand Singh here to discuss about क्या होगा cutoff, what will be expected cutoff for NIFT. So on based on student review, look at the paper, question pattern, CAT pattern based on the exams. What is the expected cutoff marks of this year exam? Well, so very exciting this is. Well, we need to look for a more strategy, more planning on it. The first hand information, if you ask me, the initial comment if you ask me on it. So what I have seen in this year exam, had a word with many of you, discussions. Exam center पे भी कई सारे बच्चे मिले, उन्होंने thank you बोला. I'm very pleased meeting all of you. So it was really interesting. क्वेश्चंस भी हमने डिस्कस किया प्रीवियस वीडियो में. कैट का पेपर में एलिमेंट ऑफ डिजाइन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डिजाइन से क्वेश्चन से, गैट के पेपर में हिस्ट्री, आर्ट और आपके बेसिक फंडामेंटल सब्जेक्ट्स के भी क्वेश्चंस थे. And maths was too weak. So looking at the pattern of the math, passages was there, but it was too lengthy. So सारे बच्चे के लिए it was not comfortable enough to solve the passage very easily. So looking at current pattern, if we start with the courses wise, B design, BFT, MFM, M design, there are so many courses. तो उनका क्या होगा cutoff? Possible cutoff for this year entrance exam is, let's start with the somewhere of MFM if we look. So previous year pattern if we'll see, the cutoff goes sometime around somewhere around 23%, 27%, 32%. So out of 150 marks, इस बार का कटऑफ 50 के आसपास हो सकता है, या 50 के आसपास का मार्क्स हो सकता है, जो एक एवरेज बेटर मार्क्स माना जाए, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पैटर्न और ये सब में जो है ना चेंजेस था. सो it can be a student in general can be get selected 40 plus also, and yes, we'll take more expert suggestions and all, I will tell you about it. Same vice versa it goes for a BDAS, so I mean BFT also, BFT 40-50 students. So अगर आपने तीन में से एक क्वेश्चन भी सही बनाया है तो आपके चांसेस हैं फर्स्ट राउंड हो जाने का. Alright, and MFM में best point here, you have a 30% to improve your next round. There you can do well and you can get a good score, good rank. And what role comes to Ignite India? We are starting situation tests and GDPI classes very soon, because we know this gonna be a game changer. This is the plan where you can get a very good marks, very good rank, and ये rank ये marks आपके ओवरऑल मार्क्स को इम्पैक्ट करने वाला है, मार्क्स को इम्पैक्ट करने वाला है. सो दैट्स व्हाट द रीजन वी डिसाइडेड टू कीप दिस क्लासेस फॉर यू, एंड दिस क्लास इज गोना बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. नाउ कमिंग टू द बी डिजाइन. सो इफ यू लुक द बी डिजाइन स्टूडेंट, probably the cutoff will be out of 100, if I have to tell, out of 100 including GAT and CAT, I'm not taking 80, I'm taking a ratio of 100. So you may have to score somewhere around 30 plus. So that is 32, 33, 35. This will be the marks, and a percentage if you have to say. So 30% plus is the good percentage to get a cutoff. Minimum why we are discussing, because आप में से कई सारे बच्चे ये पूछ रहे हैं जो मेरा मिनिमम स्कोर क्या हो सकता है. And yes, you wanted to know your CAT marks, you wanted to know what you did in CAT, how was your marks can be. GAT में तो करा ही है, CAT के लिए अगर आप expected हो, you are looking at, do contact the Ignite India team, share your work which you have done in exam, similar kind of. हम आपको 1-on-1 एक्सपर्ट फीडबैक देंगे, जिसमें हम बताएंगे जो आपने जो पेपर करा है, what is the possibilities are. So do contact as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, share this video. This is based on the exam student review. So here is your all the cutoff has been revealed. We said that what need to be done. If you just started watching, go back, watch the videos. Each sections, what cutoff possibles are, BFT, B design, MFM, all has been discussed here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, I'll keep coming with the more and more content, and the team will keep uploading the content on situation tests, GDPI and other material also, that gonna come very soon for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Are you a design, architecture or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCEED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
Hi, I'm Sumedha and I secured a rank of 10 in my DAT mains and got selected in NID Ahmedabad.
Hi everyone, my name is Gauri Jaman and I secured the 8th rank in NID for the Master's Program in Apparel Design.